HOOVER H-Free C300 combines the convenience of a lightweight cordless with the versatility of a traditional upright. The 32.4-volt battery pack runs for up to an incredible 90 minutes, so that you can vacuum your entire house without worrying about running out of power. Designed with the motor and bin in the base, this vacuum feels ultra lightweight in use, with effortless swivel steering. It even reclines flat to the floor to reach under furniture. H-Free C300 has a wide foot with large rotating brush bar for deep carpet cleaning and LED nozzle lights to illuminate under the sofa. Eco mode maximizes the runtime and reduces the noise level to clean thoroughly, especially hard floors. H-Free C300 is not just for floors. You can use it on the stairs and all over your home, thanks to the 3.5-meter stretch hose, extension tube and tools. The tools and hose are stored neatly on board, ready for when you need them. The telescopic handle has 6 different positions for your comfort. When the handle is fully retracted, H-Free C300 is under 80 centimeters in height, allowing you to store it in a small space. Charging the battery is simple. You can attach the plug directly, or if you prefer, remove the battery and take it to a convenient power socket to be charged. Compact cordless power throughout the home. Brought to you by HOOVER.